Hello guys, my name is Hamidah and I want to explain a little about cats. Cats are mammals. Cats are liked by many people because it's cute, adorable, and smart behavior. The gestation period for cat is 64 days and can generally give birth to 3 until 4 kittens. Cats have special sense of smell on the roof of its mouth, which is called the vomeronasal organs or Jacobson organs. The cat whiskers can used by cats determine whether its body can pass through a narrow room. Because the distance between the end of a cat's whiskers is almost the same as the width of its body. Cats are clean animals. Cats often groom itself by licking its hair. Its saliva is powerful cleanser. Thank you for watching my video guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also follow my Instagram. Bye bye.